Hi, my name is KJ Whiting. Let's talk about becoming a speech pathologist. Speech and language pathologists primarily help people, young or old, overcome problems with their speech, whether it's a lisp or a stutter, or trouble communicating effectively in general, or even swallowing. They do this by conducting personalized tests and providing personalized therapy. If you are interested in becoming a speech pathologist, you will need, at the very least, a master's degree in speech and language pathology, and some states may also require you to have state licensure and/or certification. My 4-year plan starts with graduating from BYU, Idaho with a bachelor's degree in, you guessed it, general psychology. From there, I will apply to grad school, and if I'm serious about pursuing a career in speech pathology, complete my master's in speech and language pathology. The next step would be to complete any requirements made by the state I intend to work in. All of this sounds a little ambiguous right now, but as I continue forward, I believe the right doors will open and the wrong doors will probably close, and that will solidify the aspects of my 4-year plan. Now, why did I choose to study psychology? Like many of you, when my elementary school teachers asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, psychology wasn't even on my radar. Upon graduating from high school, I decided it was time to answer some serious, heavy questions. The question that started it all was, how can I help? How can I make a significant difference in this world? I decided the best way to truly help someone in a lasting way is to teach them. But then, what should I teach? After some pondering, I identified what I believe will be the most helpful for the most people: habits of happiness. Whether it's scripture study, service, goal setting, or even smiling a little more, happiness habits in the end have made the most difference in my life. My heart especially goes out to those for whom simply being happy isn't all that simple, such as those who suffer from depression and other mental illnesses. Here are some thoughts from Chapter 13 that best match my reasoning for choosing the psychology major. I've listed them in order of how much I agree with the statements. First, psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for teaching. Second, I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. Third, psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree. And fourth, a bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job. Thanks for listening. Now go, live your dream.